Hey guys, it's Phil from OG. Today I'll guide you on a step-by-step on how to install your new OG Speed 49mm 2014 and up touring fork brace. For this demo, we'll be working on the 2022 Road Glide. Before starting, I highly advise you grab your shop manual for additional information. Here's a quick look at the tools you'll need for this job. A torque wrench, a 6mm Allen socket, a 1/4 Allen socket, a 5/16 socket, a 15/16 socket, a 10mm socket, a T25 Torx socket or screwdriver, and a ratchet. Before installing your new touring 49mm fork brace, you'll need to remove the belt covers. To do this, you'll first need to remove front fender, front wheel, brake calipers, and then the fork tubes. With the fork tubes off the bike, apply a dab of grease onto the supplied 49mm dust seals and slide them onto the tubes. Using a seal driver, gently tap them in until they sit flush. Reinstall the fork tubes back onto the bike. Make sure the tops of the tubes are flush with the top of the triple tree. This ensures maximum travel and prevents the brace from hitting the lower tree trim cover. Reinstall your front wheel, brake calipers, and fender. Install 2 fork brace clamps on each fork loader. Don't torque them yet, just hand tighten them so they stay in place. Now install the center brace onto the clamps using the 4 supplied screws. Again, do not torque them yet, just hand tighten. Adjust the height of the center brace so it sits flush with the top of both fork lowers. Once aligned, torque both clamps to 17 foot-pounds. Then torque the center brace bolts to 17 foot-pounds as well. If you have any questions regarding this installation, please feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.